In this tutorial I will show you how to automatically copy the best Polymarket wallets using PolyGun. We are on telegramtrading.net. This site tracks the top performing wallets on Polymarket in real time. You can see each wallet's 30-day profit, their trading volume, their focus area, and a direct button to start copying them instantly. Let's open the Polymarket leaderboard. This is the public ranking of all traders on Polymarket, sorted by monthly profit. The number 1 wallet this month made over $4 million. Number 2 made over $4 million as well. Number 3, Beach Boy 4, made nearly $3 million. All of this is fully transparent and verifiable on-chain. Let's look at one of these wallets in detail. This is Horizon Splendid View. Nearly $3 million profit in the past 30 days. Look at the profit chart on the right. It is a consistent upward trend with no major drops. This is exactly the kind of trader you want to follow. Now let's open PolyGun. PolyGun is a Telegram bot with over 28,000 active users. It automatically copies any Polymarket wallet in real time, directly inside Telegram. Open the link and click Start Bot. This is the PolyGun main menu. You can see your balance, active positions, and total net worth at the top. The first thing you need to do before copying any trades is fund your wallet. Tap Wallet in the menu. Here you can see deposit addresses for Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain. You can send USDC from any of these networks. The minimum deposit is $10. Your balance will appear within a minute. Now we are ready to set up copy trading. Go back to the leaderboard and choose a wallet to copy. We will follow Beach Boy 4, with nearly $3 million profit this month and 141 predictions made. Back in PolyGun, tap Copy Trade from the main menu, then tap Add Copy Trade. The setup has 7 steps. Step 1, paste the wallet address of the trader you want to copy. Step 2, give it a nickname so you can identify it easily. We type Beach Boy. Step 3, choose your trade size mode. Fixed means the same dollar amount on every trade regardless of how much the leader bets. Percentage mirrors a portion of their bet. Portfolio weighted scales by how significant the trade is to their total portfolio. For beginners, fixed is the simplest option. We select fixed. Step 4, set a maximum amount per individual market so you never overexpose on a single prediction. Step 5, set a price range filter to avoid copying extreme odds. Step 6, set slippage tolerance, which controls how much price movement you accept during execution. 2% is a safe default. Step 7, review all your settings and tap Confirm. Your copy trade is now live. The bot will monitor Beach Boy for in real time. Every time this wallet places a trade on Polymarket, your bot will automatically place the same trade based on your settings. You can see the copy trade is active with a green status. You can pause it, adjust any setting, or delete it at any time from this screen. Here is the portfolio view. These are the real open positions the bot has entered automatically. You can see each market, the current value, and your profit or loss on each trade. At any time you can tap sell on any position to exit immediately. You are always in full control of your funds. Everything runs in the background, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No manual trading needed on your end. You just set it up once and the bot does the rest. That is the complete setup. PolyGun is free to use. The link to get